तुम्हें वहां जाना चाहिए था। You should have gone there. You should have gone there. तुम्हें मुझे याद दिलाना चाहिए था। You should have reminded me. You should have reminded me. तुम्हें कम से कम शादी में तो जाना चाहिए था। You should have at least attended the marriage. You should have at least attended the marriage. मुझे जाना चाहिए था। I should have gone. I should have gone. राम को उससे कभी नहीं मिलना चाहिए। Ram should never meet him. Ram should never meet him. तुम्हें कम से कम वहां जाना चाहिए था। You should have at least gone there. You should have at least gone there. आज मुझे शॉपिंग के लिए जाना चाहिए था। I should have gone shopping today. I should have gone shopping today. तुम्हें कम से कम आज तो काम करना चाहिए था। You should have worked at least today. You should have worked at least today. राकेश को सोचना चाहिए था। Rakesh should have thought. Rakesh should have thought. तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए। What do you think? Should I go there? What do you think? Should I go there? तुम्हें उसकी हालत के बारे में सोचना चाहिए था। You should have thought about his condition. You should have thought about his condition. वहाँ अच्छा मौसम होना चाहिए। There should be good weather. There should be good weather. वो अब तक निकल गए होंगे। They should have left by now. They should have left by now. उसे अब जाना चाहिए। He should leave/go now. He should leave/go now. हमें अपने बड़ों की इज्जत करनी चाहिए। We should respect our elders. We should respect our elders. तुम्हें सुबह टहलने जाना चाहिए। You should go for a morning walk. You should go for a morning walk. तुम्हें गाली नहीं देनी चाहिए। You should not abuse. You should not abuse. हमें झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए। I should have proposed to that girl. I should have proposed to that girl.